Have you ever felt confused while trying to understand a complex model like SARIMAX? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the SARIMAX model and clarifying why it uses all available data for training and how it predicts future values. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you see different date ranges being used for training and validation. Many people wonder why the author used the entire date range for fitting the model, but only a portion for validation. Let's break this down. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked why the SARIMAX model uses all the data from 1958 to 2001 for training, but only validates forecasts starting from January 1st, 1998. This is a common point of confusion, especially for newcomers to time series forecasting. The reason for using all available data for training is to capture as much information as possible about the underlying patterns in the time series. This helps the model learn effectively. However, when validating forecasts, it's crucial to test the model on unseen data to assess its predictive performance. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the SARIMAX model better, but you'll also learn how to adjust its parameters for different forecasting horizons. To understand why the author used all the data to fit the SARIMAX model, it's important to recognize that time series models benefit from having as much historical data as possible. This helps the model capture underlying patterns and trends. When validating forecasts, the author chose a specific date range starting from January 1st, 1998. This is a common practice to ensure that the model's predictions are evaluated on unseen data. The user is correct in noting that in machine learning, training and validation datasets are typically different. However, in time series analysis, using all available data for training is crucial for capturing trends. Now, regarding the parameters of the SARIMAX model, the order parameters represent the autoregressive, differencing, and moving average components. The seasonal order parameters account for seasonal effects. To predict days or weeks instead of just months, the user can adjust the seasonal order parameter accordingly. For example, if predicting weekly data, the seasonal period would be set to 52. Fun fact, the SARIMAX model is like a time traveler. It learns from the past to predict the future, but it needs to know when to stop looking back. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user explains that the author of the tutorial chose the parameters for the SARIMAX model based on the output, indicating that the combination of order 1, 1, 1 and seasonal order 1, 1, 12 resulted in the lowest Akaike information criterion, or AIC. This suggests that this parameter set is optimal for the model. Here's a pro tip. When setting your parameters, always visualize your data first. This will help you understand the trends and seasonality, making it easier to choose the right parameters for your model. And there you have it. You now have a clearer understanding of the SARIMAX model and how to set its parameters. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights on time series forecasting.